Ũgwati wa ngenge kũnyitwo nĩ mĩrimũ ĩrehetwo nĩ bacteria rĩrĩa ciaciarwo no ũnyihio nĩ manyina kũheo njanjo rĩrĩa marĩ aritũ. Rũhonge rwa ũthuthuria wa mĩrimũ rwa kũrĩ rugĩte mũigana wa ciana iria iranyitwo nĩ mĩrimũ ĩrĩa ĩrehetwo nĩ bacteria hĩndĩ ya gũciarwo nĩ ũramakania makĩria kaunti-inĩ cia Kilifi na Kiambu, gũkũ makiuga atĩ ngenge 20% iria cianyitwo nĩ mĩrimũ ta ĩno nĩ ikuaga.
Kenya's research institutions are world famous. There's ICIPE, there's KEMRI, there's all sorts of institutions we have here. And Kenya is a leader, is a global leader in many ways. So we want to maintain our global leadership by catching up on this issue of vaccines. We understand the long-term importance of early vaccination of children across many disease pathogens. And we are very, very in support of this initiative, and we will do everything we can to make sure that we tie up the loose ends, to make sure that the system is straight from beginning when you're born to the end. But this requires everybody to work together. And most important, we don't need more research, we don't need more thinking, we don't need more workshops, we just need to implement the existing solutions which you already have.
My lab works a lot on environmental transmission of infectious disease and thinking about how to prevent that through improved water quality, water treatment, and sanitation. And I think that's very complementary to vaccines, which is also a preventative health measure and very cost effective. And so what you're really trying to do is prevent children from being exposed to pathogens early on in life, and that could be done through vaccines and also through